When you log into your IAM account, there is an icon called Fall at Destiny. There's two little books on the icon, and this is your access to the school library's online catalog. So you'll be able to search for any book you want to check out, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing is go ahead and click on that icon. A new window is going to pop up, and you're going to see a list of all kinds of libraries from Buncombe County. Scroll down until you find North Buncombe High School Media Center. You're going to see a tab called Catalog, so click on that Catalog tab. And then over here on the left-hand side, I want you to choose Destiny Discover. So Destiny Discover is a very user-friendly page that will allow you to search for books of all kinds, title, author, and subject. If you scroll down the page, it always gives you the recently added books because we're always adding new books to our collection, and you can either use See All, you can use the arrow, you can scroll across the page. We have popular titles below. Usually that will end up being like class novels that are checked out. If you're looking for specific topics, like you like fantasy or you like dystopian end of the world stuff or graphic novels, you can try clicking on one of these topics. The easiest way to look for a book, though, is using the search bar. So the search results that pop up, I've got quite a few. Notice anything that is in green that says in means it is currently available for checkout in the library. So if you find one that you like, you can click on the title and it will give you more information about the title. When you click on the title, you simply see more information about the book. You're going to see a little blue button called Hold. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to send us a virtual message by pressing the Hold button, and this tells us that you want to check out this book. So press Hold. A box down here is going to pop up that says it is now on hold for you. Notice that you've also got the Hold button here. If you change your mind and you don't want to hold the book anymore, just press Unhold, and it'll say your hold has been removed. But let's say I want to hold this book, I want to check it out. What will happen is the library will pull the book, we will check it out to you, and we will deliver it to your classroom, whatever class period you happen to be in. If you are remote learning only, what we will do is we will send you an email or contact you somehow to let you know you can come pick up your book, and then we will we'll do a drive-through pickup. Once you've checked books out or you have placed them on hold and you want to see when books are due back, go to the upper left-hand corner where you see 3 horizontal lines. Click on that. This is your main menu. And you can view your checkouts, you can view your holds. If you have added a favorite to a book, you can view your favorites. So I'm going to click on checkouts. On the checkouts page, you'll notice that I have 3 books that are checked out to me. And they show the title, the author, they give you a picture of the book cover, as well as the due date. Now, when your due date comes near, you will receive an email from the library to let you know that you've got a book that's coming due. You can, at that point, contact us to renew it, and we'd be happy to renew it for you. Or if you don't want it anymore, you're done with it, there will be a drop-off box outside the front of the library where you can just literally drop off your books. This will be once we go all virtual. So if you have any questions, please check out the North Buncombe High School Library page on our school website, and y'all have fun reading.